I'm going to be showing you how to not get banned from WhatsApp Business. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first is you need to follow its messaging and commerce rules. Most bans happen because of spam messaging or too many people reporting the account. So don't send spam messages. Do not send bulk messages to people who didn't contact you first. Avoid messaging hundreds of unknown numbers. Only message customers who gave you permission. So WhatsApp detects mass messaging quickly and may suspend your account. Also use opt-in customers. Always get permission before messaging. So some of the good ways are if a customer messages you first, or a customer fills a form and agrees to receive messages, or customer scans your WhatsApp QR code. This keeps your account safe from reports. Also avoid automation or unofficial tools. Do not use bots, autosender apps, or modified WhatsApp versions like GB WhatsApp and WhatsApp Plus. These violate WhatsApp's rules and can lead to permanent bans. And also don't send too many identical messages. Sending the same message repeatedly to many contacts looks like spam. So better approach personalized messages, send in smaller batches, and wait between messages. And also keep a good customer response rate. So if many people block you or report your messages, WhatsApp may restrict your account. Always reply politely, provide real customer support, and avoid aggressive marketing. Also make sure to verify your business profile. Complete your profile in WhatsApp Business, like your business name, description, website, email, and address. This makes your account look more trustworthy. And also avoid restricted products. Don't promote illegal or restricted products like fake goods, drugs, gambling services, or adult content. This can trigger instant bans. So in this way, you can successfully not get banned from WhatsApp Business. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.